Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am your host Dr. Sanjeev Gupta for today's session. So we will talk about mount in palmistry. How many mounts are present in our a person's palm. So come and concentrate please. As we talk in about our last earlier video, that this is Jupiter finger. So area below this line, this finger is known as Jupiter finger, Jupiter mount. If we draw a line between Jupiter finger and Saturn finger center and join this from the heart line parallel horizontally, so this area is denoted by Jupiter mount. By this mount we can analyze a person's spiritual upgradation, and if he is spiritually, how much he is spiritually upgraded in his life. So, and if he will a teacher or a guru in his life, then we can analyze by this Jupiter mount. Now we proceed for second. This is, if we draw a line between Sun finger and Saturn finger center, so this area is Saturn mount below the Saturn finger. This area is called known as Saturn mount. With this mount we can analyze about the financial status, age and diseases associated with a person, and if any court issues with this person in his life, then we can analyze about these things by the Saturn mount. And third is the Sun mount. If we draw a line at the center of Sun finger and Mercury finger, then we can find the area, this is the Sun mount below the Sun finger. By this mount we can analyze about if a person will gain government job or not, or he will awarded, or he will hold a post. So we can analyze these things by the sign and lines at this mount, the Sun mount. And next is fourth is Mercury mount. This is the Mercury mount below the little finger and Mercury finger. This is the Mercury finger as I described in our last video. So this area is known as Mercury mount. By this mount we can analyze about the communication skill, business and wisdom, how much wisdom and how, if he will gain upgradation in business, and how he will communicate with others in his life. Next is Venus mount. This is Venus mount from the lifeline and below the thumb. This area is known as Venus mount. By this mount we can analyze about the vehicle, how much vehicle he will make, a person will make in his life, and buildings also, and how a person luck will and how he will perform in his life. Luxurious item, how much luxurious item he will have, he will gain in his life. These things we can analyze by the Venus mount. And next is Moon mount. This area known as Moon mount. This area is known as Moon mount. This mount tells about the acting related issues, musical and other art related things in a person. If we can analyze if a person will get rise in acting, music and these arts, or how will perform in this area, we can analyze by this mount. Next is Mars 1. Mars 1 area, if we draw a line from the lifeline, this line, and we draw a line at the heart line up to here. So this area, we gain this area, and we will make three equal parts here. Then we will gain here 3 mounts. This is Mangal 1, this is Rahu, middle area is Rahu mount, and third is Mars 2 mount. So we will talk about Mars 1 mount. By this we can know about the marriage related issues, marriage relationship, and if a court case, then we can also analyze about the friends and enemies. We can analyze by the Mangal 1 area. Mangal 2 area, if a person will go in the military area or in force, so we can analyze and how his nature is, that he is a quarrel person, fighting person, or a fighter, or a normal person. So we can analyze by the Mangal Mars 2 area. Next is Rahu mount. As I described, this middle area is Rahu mount. So we can see if a person have unearned money yog, then he will and also luck, about the luck, and if he can gain in his life by the lottery and shares. So we can analyze here by the Rahu mount that if a person have unearned money yog or not. And next and last is the Ketu mount. If we see here, this area is known as the Ketu mount above the bracelet lines. This middle area is known as Ketu mount. In this area, if any sign and line is present, so we can analyze by that sign and line about the last time death of a person, how he will die, how his last age time will be a person, how his end of life, how a person will perform, how will he take these, and how much spiritual upgradation in a person's life he will achieve, how much spiritual gain he will be rise. So these things we can analyze by the Ketu mount. So it's all about today. So we will describe by one mount in detail in our upcoming videos. If you are learning something with my videos, so like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you are new with my YouTube channel, then subscribe. And if you want hand palm analyzation, then you can send your detail. I will contact you and return back to you. Thank you. Bye bye.